If you need blood, I'll be there to find you a perfect match. And yes, there's more to it than ABO and RH.
You name it, I can discover it. Our tasks are limitless. All I need is a little body fluid.
It's as if we're detectives working together to solve your case.
Medical laboratories account for 70% of medical decisions. They diagnose and treat you.
Having fertility issues? I'll find out for you.
I can look at a blood smear for 1 second and tell if you have iron deficiency, sickle cell anemia, or leukemia. And the list goes on and on.
I can discover your grandfather's prostate cancer early enough for a successful recovery.
It is rewarding. I go home every day